Good morning, welcome to Scott Rods. As you can see, I am not in the garage or on the driveway. Taking some time out today to go visit a friend that I've never met before. That friend would be Ted. Ted is one of my subscribers for many months who has been sending me lots of stuff for my project. Things like those gorgeous chromy headlights and running boards and all sorts of stuff. So it's about time I headed out to his place, said hello in person. So let's go. I won't be spending all day there because I still need to get back and fit a couple of things to the coupe. Like I said yesterday, I want to fit the radiator expansion tank and the interior mirror and everything else I decided to throw in the car today. Right, I need to pay attention. I'm on possibly the second most dangerous road in Canada, so won't be too much yapping. See you in a bit. We have arrived. Let's go see Ted. And here he comes, the elusive Ted, man of mystery, bringing me more gifts. Good. Thanks, Ted. Well, that was Ted. Hey, not everyone wants to be a YouTube superstar, okay? So Ted has also got a 36 Chevy Coupe that he's working on. He's been working on it a lot longer than me, but Ted's doing it right. So his project's taking a bit longer than mine, I'm just slapping it together with what I've got. Spoke for a while, I learned a lot, so thanks Ted. And also, as you can see, he gave me some more stuff, which I will show you later. I've not even looked at what he's given me. So once we go home, we'll do some unboxing. I might even get something done in my own car today. We'll see. Right, we'll see you when I get home. Bye bye. Wow, lots of stuff from Ted again. It's crazy. I can't go over how generous Ted is. Okay, let's go through this booty, shall we? I'm gonna need a coffee first. Also, folks, it's very unlikely I'm going to be working in a car today. That drive just completely destroyed my head. So if you want to see what I'm up to tomorrow, fine, I don't mind if you leave now. If you want to stay and see all these awesome bits and bobs that I just got given. And also, surprise Amazon delivery arrived while I was out, so you might want to see who that's from as well. Otherwise, have a nice Sunday night. Coffee time. Right, I'll try not to bore you to death, okay? Tell you what I'll do. Let's look at this package I got delivered from one of my beautiful subscribers. This is from Scott McGregor. I don't recognise that name. Is that someone else using their... I know. I was going to say someone else using their wife's account, but unless you're married to Scott. Anyway, a gift note from Scott McGregor. Keep up the good work, from Scott McGregor. Maybe he's got a funny YouTube channel name that I don't recognise. So, Scott has got me a very awesome set of metal hole cutting bits of millions of sizes. They look pretty good. Oh my goodness. So I will probably transfer them into a more functional box, because these are a bit random. Excellent. Thank you very much, Scott. I will be putting them to good use in the very near future. Right, what's next? Oh, I need to write your name in these, don't I? Thank you. Awesome. Right, so everything else is what I picked up from Ted today. Okay, that's obviously an under plate. I might try and put this under the gas tank, just as a little bit of stone protection. It's obviously not from a 36 Chevy. Right, this is I'm not going to open this just now. It's as Ted says, a fairly cheapy car cover, which is great. But he also gave me a not so cheapy car cover, an actual quality car cover, which is going to come in very handy soon. But I'm not even going to try that until I've got rid of all the sharp edges on my car. Okay, this is the actual rubber trim style that I was supposed to use on the windscreen. As you can see, it's got that little lip, and it's a lot bigger than the one I used. Obviously this isn't really usable. This is really just so that I've got a sample of what I'm supposed to use if I decide to do it right sometime down the line. That's just a bit of window channel, just again to give me an idea of what I'm supposed to fit. Right, good stuff. This is for the brake booster. This bracket bolts onto the head bolts, the intake bolts, and it's got a little hole there to clamp in maybe accelerator cable or kickdown cable, that kind of thing. That's pretty nice. Should use that. Oh my goodness, what we got? Wiring loom for... Ooh, I think I know what that is. I think that's for the heater, not the heater, the water temperature sensor. Could be wrong. I'm not sure, that's a whole loom for something. Interesting, very cool. I'm pretty sure it's engine bay related. I could be completely wrong. A bag of gloves. I think it's a bag of gloves. And a spark plug keychain. Very appropriate. Yes. Ooh, lovely. Lavender gloves, aren't they lovely? Fantastic. The random stuff that Ted sends me is crazy. Wow, look at all that shrink tubing. Brilliant. Oh, right. Another loom. I have no idea what's going on here. That's a headlight loom. Nope. I'm not sure what all the other wires are for. Handy though. Thank you. But that's definitely a headlight plug. Right, cans of car undercoating. I'll probably use that on the floor. That's nice. More shrink tubing. Fluid film. Any ideas? I don't know what that's for. Some chamois or chamois. Nice. Air intake cleaner. Silicone spray. Penetrating oil. White lithium grease. And the bottle of mystery stuff. What's this? battery cleaner and leak detector. Didn't even know that stuff existed. Crazy. You're crazy, Ted. I hope at least I'm giving you some room in your garage by clearing all this out. It's shocking that you've got that much stuff lying about that you can afford to just give it away. Right, what's next? Big box of Gojo fast wipes. Oh no, it's not Gojo fast wipes, isn't it? It is tune-up grease. Alright, so that goes in electrical connectors. That's pretty cool. Do you get these in a fire sale or what? Right, these are the fast wipes. Right, so apparently you use them when you just can't find a sink and hand cleaner. Smells nice. Crazy. Hey, I should ask Ted, are you sure you meant to give me these? Because you might have thought you were just giving me the fast wipes. So let me know and I'll bring them back, okay? What's this? I don't know what this is. This looks new. Oh right, it's a tyre, an air compressor for your tyres. Very neat. And it plugs into your cigarette lighter, so I need to install one of them. It's got a nice little switch. That's really nice. Wow, very compact. Hopefully I'll never have to use it, because I'll never get a puncture. But you know that's not going to happen. Right. Oh, I feel bad now. It's a box of panel pins. Oh, after Cam bought me a brand new set. And keyring text and strange, and well, there's a lot of stuff in here I don't know what it's for. Very cool anyway. Brilliant, thank you. Ooh. Oh, those wee grabby washers, they're always handy. Do you get anything left in your garage, Ted? Seriously, this is mad. I can't close it. Come on. Right. Okay, so that's, oh no. A big bag of stickers. God, do you think I was 6 years old? I need to find stuff to stick them to. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's good. Okay, I'll find something to stick them to. Right, that's that box. And finally, we have this little box. This is very handy, I'll show you that in a minute. I don't know what this is. Oh, right, okay. He threw some headlight bulbs at me, which I'm going to be doing this week, the headlights. Oh, that's a blue one. Blue H4. Very nice. But I think there's only one of them. H4s. H4s. So plenty of room for experimentation, more in there. And a couple of bottles of apparently amazing hand cleaner. And finally, this little bag. Now I have to give them back what I don't use, but it's full of these little handles, which are for the front quarter window on the door, to open it up. But if I can use them for something else, that's great, but if not, I'll give them back. Aren't they nice? So that's today's amazing haul. Now I just need to find somewhere to put it all until I can fit it to the car. So thank you, Scott McGregor. please leave a comment so I know what your actual username is. And of course, thanks Ted, it was nice meeting you today. We spoke a lot and I learned a lot about my car and how it should look and what I'm supposed to be doing and all the things I've done wrong. That's life. Right, tomorrow. Oh well, no love for Bugsy today, I'm afraid. Still, very busy week ahead, so make sure you tune in. I've got like 2 or 3 days to fulfill my list of safety requirements, so I need to get up early, get stuck in. Thanks for watching, everyone. I know there was no content, but it said that in the description. Thanks everyone, see you in the next one. Bye bye.